So I am going to take my spoolie brush and then brush my eyebrow upwards to arrange it properly before I draw my brows. And then I'm going to take my Davis eye pencil in number 03, and then I'm going to draw like a line following the lines of my eyebrow. I want my eyebrow to be as natural as possible. I'll do this both. So I'm going to do this both on top and under. Repeat the same thing for my second brows. No two brows are ever the same. That's why they always say two eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, but like, you know, they would look as like as much as possible, but they would never be exactly the same. After doing this, I'll still take my eye pencil and start going in to fill out the spaces in my brows. Fill it out. Fill it out. If you notice, I did not fill out the front part of my brows, and this is because I'm going to use a brush to shade it and to give this shade effect that the front would be light and then the back would be thicker. So I'm going to take my spoolie and do that just like this. Give it a shady effect. There you go. So now that I'm done drawing my brows, I'm going to take my concealer. You can make use of any concealer you like, but I'm using the Sephora concealer palette, and I'm going to take this shade over here, this shade here, and I would use it for underneath my brows. And then when I want to conceal the top part of my brows, I'm going to take a darker shade, that's this one down here, to make it look more natural. I prefer to use a lighter shade under and then a darker shade on top. So I'm going to outline it like this. Over here. And then I'll use the other shade, this one right here, this shade right here. I'm going to use it and apply it to the top part of my brows like this. Now, while cleaning your brows, if you should mistakenly clean off some part that you don't want to clean, don't worry, just wait for your concealer to dry up a little bit, and you can always go back with your eye pencil to correct the part you want to correct, and then go back with your concealer and clean it out more. Go. I My brows are not so neat because I haven't waxed or tweezed them or cut them. I think they are pretty decent. So that's that for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.